Peeps, what's up? How we doing? It's Josh. I am coming to you from the Shadow Man hallway here at Malvern Manor. I've kind of got some lighting and stuff like that set up with the lanterns and all of that. But what I wanted to try kind of a quick little series of experiments, right? And using an app. Now, obviously we constantly are going back and forth. Do the apps work? Do they not work? Like, what are we doing here, right? So we're going to start kind of putting some of these to the test. One of them that I have had really interesting results with thus far is called Spirit Talker. And actually, Spirit Talker comes to us from our friend Reality Remixer here. He was the one that kind of told me about this. It kind of turned me on to it a little bit, right? So I downloaded the app. I have tried it numerous times. Now, I don't know how well you can see this, but there is on here like an EMF detector, right? I don't know how well that works, but then there's also the Spirit Talker portion of the app itself. With that, you're going to get like disembodied voices, you're going to get responses to certain things and blah, blah, blah. So we're going to attempt to like turn this on. We're going to see. Now, when this actually says something, I will repeat it. Sometimes it's hard to understand. There is a thing on here that will tell you what it has said as well. So that helps. But anyway, so I'm going to turn on the EMF detector, which I just did. Right now it's reading absolutely nothing. And then I am going to turn on the Spirit Talker portion as well, and I'm going to turn up the volume as well here. So everything on this app now is running. Everything is going. Everything should be working the way it's intended to work. So we are just going to ask some questions and see what happens here. Is anybody in this hallway that maybe wants to come out here and have a conversation with me, talk to me for a moment? Interestingly enough, the Spirit Talker app just said careful. Hearing all sorts of stuff, guys. I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens here. Why it's not... I don't know. Maybe I have to have the volume on. I didn't hear anything come out of there. Is anybody here that wants to speak with us? Speak with me. You guys obviously know who I am. I'm here every day. My name is Josh.
I'm guilty.
So the app just said, I'm guilty. Not exactly sure what that is in reference to. Guys, let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy me being here? Do I take care of this place okay for you? Is it good enough to your liking? Would you rather I do more? Would you rather I do less? What do you think? You should be able to come right up here to this device in my hand and manipulate it in some way. Be able to speak. Do you like that I'm here?
Home.
It said home. I do consider this place to be something like home. I would also consider you guys to be somewhat of my family. And I hope that you look at me the same way. Is there anything else that you would like to say?
Nicola.
Said the name Nikola. Almost like Nikola Tesla. So right now, of the 4 responses that we've got, careful, I'm guilty, home, and Nikola, I would consider 2 of those 4 responses somewhat relevant to what I was doing. Careful and home. Now, careful was just when I first started, and I started walking back this direction here. And that's when it said careful, or told me to be careful.
Morning.
Morning. Well, good morning to you as well. I guess it is technically still morning as we record this. Footsteps. Interesting. I don't know, guys. What do you think?
Earl.
Earl. I tell you what, I'll have to check my We Are Malvern Manor book, but I'm fairly confident in saying that Earl is a part of that group of names, that list of names that that Tori and myself have compiled for this location. Earl, are you still with me? Earl, is there anything you need while I'm here? I'd love to help you out. Anything at all, pal.
Boat.
A boat? Earl, are you a fisherman? I love fishing. I'm not very good at it, but I enjoy it. Would you like to go fishing? Earl, are you still with me?
Abandoned.
Abandoned. No idea. So again, guys, pretty interesting stuff so far with this. Again, like about 50-50 of anything that could potentially maybe be relevant, right? So again, like this is a really cool app. I am enjoying it. I'm curious to see more, right? I really want to kind of dive into this more, or as much as we possibly can. Pretty interesting stuff. Now, I will also note that the EMF detector that's on this has not spiked a single time, has not even gone above flatline, which is honestly what I would expect a device like this to do. And to be quite honest, we'll probably take the camera into the wrong. Yeah, I'm probably wrong about a lot of things. However, I will say I'll probably take the camera and this into the kitchen where we could really make this thing hum with like running a microwave, right? Microwaves, refrigerators, things like that. A bigger appliance that is going to be giving off a significant amount of EMF. So we'll probably do that. I'll probably cut the film right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn all of this off. We'll probably go ahead and turn off the camera right now, and we'll go ahead and take this to the kitchen. Let's see what we can do.
All right, guys, so here we are in the kitchen area. Got the app here, which you can't really see yet. So I am going to set this right here by the microwave. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this portion on. That is our EMF detector. Right now, again, I'm not quite sure how well you can see this, but it is reading just right at the baseline, okay? Let me see if that's even coming on there. You can barely see it. Barely see it, so I'm gonna get us closer here. Okay, guys, so right at the old baseline, and I've got it setting up right next to the microwave, which I am just going to push the magic little button here that says add 30 seconds. So I'm going to push that. Just going to hit it a few times. Now this should be humming right now. As you can see, it is not. Nothing. Guys, nothing. Okay. All right. This thing should be absolutely going crazy right now. However, it's not. I have no idea why. But, I mean, there you go. So, let me see if I can flip this around here and get us going a little better. Maybe. So you can kind of see me. Okay, so guys, I don't know what to think of this. I don't know what to... Like, that thing should just be going crazy right now. However, it's not. So whether or not the app works or not, the EMF meter certainly seems to be, not functioning properly, right? So I have no idea. The microwave's being annoying as hell right now. So I don't know, man. Like, it's weird, but again, like 50-50 on the names, 50-50 on the stuff that was coming through, the responses. I don't know what to think of the EMF meter not working. However, it's something that I'm going to play with a little bit more, just to kind of see if we can make it. We can figure out like what makes it tick, right? What makes it hit and function and all of that. This is the stuff that I'm personally interested in. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short and sweet little video. I'm hoping to do more of these very soon. But I hope you guys are doing great, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace!